Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to headphone notification enable on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Without wasting any time, let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is headphone notification enable. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on accessibility. Scroll up. Tap on audio and visual. You can see tap on headphones accommodations. Back headphone notifications enable and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to headphone notification enable on iPhone after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.